Hey guys, Trev from Duro 4x4. I'm heading to another car show. I'm heading into Yarrawonga. I've got my Monaro. Going to cruise into the rod run they got here this weekend at Mulwala. Probably head to Bright tomorrow. But for now, let's go check out Yarrawonga and see what they've done to the main street here. This is Trev, Duro 4x4. Well, I'm here in Yarrawonga. I'm just outside the town hall. I thought I'll capture a little bit of what's going on here in the town. The main street is completely blocked off, so everyone's here sitting along the street, enjoying the views, enjoying the cars. I want to bring my Monaro in the main street, but I think it's too new. You can see plenty of people out and about. We're outside Burke's Hotel. Got a band set up just over here. And there is people everywhere. This is quite an atmosphere. So the plan is to do this today and then head across to Bright and do Bright tomorrow. But Burke's Hotel is flat out. There's people everywhere. Do your learners.
Come on. Stop pushing them.
As I walk along the medium strip, or the medium parking here in the main street of Yarrawonga, I've actually got lots of cars on my left as well. Look at this. So I've seen several learners. There's one either side of me, one in a bug, one in a hot rod over here. Yarrawonga Mulwala is fully alive. EH. So there's people everywhere. There's people out on the balcony of the pubs. Absolutely cars everywhere. So similar to Bright, I believe they're doing the main street of Bright at the moment as well. I've been talking to friends who are over at Bright. I thought I'll come across here, do the laps of the main street of Yarrawonga, and then tomorrow I'll do the show and shine over at Bright, and do this today. So I'm actually covering two shows in one hit. There's the boys in blue and the ladies in blue. I couldn't, they wouldn't let me bring my Monaro into the main street, it's too new. But that's okay, look at what we got. It's a nice bed over there. There is people everywhere. Look at this HG. Look at that. Beautiful. I'm a HG fan, as most of you know. I only just recently sold one of those. A lot of Chev here, Mustangs. I could have brought my Corvette up, but I thought just the amount of kilometres that I'll be running around doing, the Monaro will do the job. Look at the Chev, look at that. How you going? So as I walk along here, I've actually got cars on my left and I've got cars on my right. It's just hard, you can't put every car in, but as you can see parked along the road, there is cars everywhere. Anyway, I'll shut this off for a minute. It's a photo of a car I want to use. As you can see, there's people absolutely everywhere. I was talking to a good friend of mine, Michael Coldham. He is part of the tourism here in Yarrawonga Mulwala. And he was telling me that there was 500 cars registered this weekend for this gig. And when you consider locally, you've got the Rod event over at Bright also, which would have equally as many vehicles. It goes to show how many cars are actually out there doing their thing. Nice SLR. Got the baby seats in the back. Hopefully you're getting a bit of sound and getting a bit of the energy, the atmosphere that we have here, because it's really, really good.
Oh my goodness, what is that?
Saw this one before. So it should be a pretty amazing show and shine tomorrow. Have a look at this beast. Looks bloody good, guys. Look at the stacks. And as you can see, I've got cars everywhere here. I saw this one before, and it sounds really, really good. I'm not sure how the microphone would go with all this noise, but what's a show without a bug? Oh, look at this. That's one of my best friends and my lawyer, MRC Law over there, my solicitor. So you can see here there's people everywhere up on the balcony of the pub, the old terminus. Bad 23. They've got a band playing over to my left-hand side there.
Come on, pretty baby, let's move it and groove it. Shake it, honey, please don't lose it. The rhythm that'll get you in your heart and soul. Baby, let's go rock and roll.
Well, as mad as this is really bloody awesome. So the main street of Yarrawonga is just alive with cars. The atmosphere, bands, music, there's people parked everywhere, hundreds of cars. Like I said in the video, 500 cars registered this weekend at the Mulwala Rod Run. And you can see, like, there's just cars everywhere, nice cars. Cars that people really take pride in what they do. It's a bit thin now, there's usually cars everywhere, but if you go over this side's an ICH coming up behind me there. Anyway, I'm going to call it quits from Yarrawonga. It's a shame I can't do the show and shine here tomorrow, I just can't fit everything in. I am going to go across to Bright and do the show and shine over at Bright. I've got friends over there, so I want to catch up with them. And yeah, look, this was a joy coming here and doing Yarrawonga. Really, really cool. There are hundreds and hundreds of people here, so this is a good weekend. If you're a car head, come across Yarrawonga, maybe do a day here, do a day over at Bright next year if they clash again. But yeah, this is pretty cool. Anyway, this is Trev out from Yarrawonga. If you like our stuff, please like and subscribe. We're showcasing a lot of car shows now, so make sure you look out for us. We did the Monaro Nationals recently, Pira Homestead, and I usually pick out a car that I really like to do a video on. So this is me out, Yarrawonga. Cheers, guys.